In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export in Expensify. We'll walk through the process from the moment you're in your Expensify account all the way to exporting a report that you can share, save, or use for accounting. Follow along on your own screen if you can, and pause whenever you need to. First, once you're logged into Expensify, start on the main dashboard. Look toward the navigation area and find the section labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. This is where Expensify keeps all of your expense reports, whether they're open, submitted, approved, or reimbursed. After you click Reports, you'll typically see a list of reports in the main area of the screen. If you don't see anything right away, make sure you're not filtered to an empty view and that your date range or status filters are appropriate. Once everything is visible, click on Reports again if needed to confirm you're in the main reports view, not inside a single report. Now, from that list of reports, choose the specific report you want to export. This might be a monthly expense report, a trip, or a project-specific report. Select it by clicking directly on the report name or row. This will open the detailed view of that report, where you can see all the individual expenses, totals, and any attached receipts. With the report open, look for an option labeled More. This is usually found near the top of the report screen, often close to other actions like Submit or Approve, depending on your permissions. Click on More to reveal additional actions you can take on that report. Among the options that appear, find and click on Export. This is the action that will generate an export file of your report. Depending on how your Expensify account is set up, you might be prompted to choose an export format, such as a spreadsheet or a specific accounting integration. If you see options, pick the one that best matches how you plan to use the data. For example, use a CSV or Excel format if you want to